This is the Reesibi Electric Compressed Air Duster. So this is a 500-watt professional dust blower with 2 adjustable speeds. So you've got level 1 or level 2, as you can see here. So this comes with a ton of different attachments to place on the end. You've got a big nozzle, a small nozzle, flat nozzle, as well as some inflatable nozzles, plus a little dusting brush and filters. So the big nozzle here is great for air conditioners or just like larger areas that have collected dust, whereas the smaller ones are great for keyboards, laptops, fans, cameras, where the flat ones are good for any kind of like window ledge style areas that are very much flattened out. And then the inflatable one's good for pool style items. So you can see I'm just using the dusting tool here to kind of just take off any surface layer dust. And then I am placing a smaller one to just clean up the crevices within my laptop. So it does come in 2 different sizes. I've got the AD 5001 and then they have the 5002 as well. Really just like durable device, works great. Check it out.